Close your eyes, Rose.
Jack, what are we
Now
doing?
step up. Do you trust me?
I'm afraid.
Keep your eyes closed, Rose.
But I'm scared, Jack.
Step up on the railing.
I'm already on it.
Do you trust me?
No.
Do you trust me?
No.
Whatever.
I'm afraid, Jack.
Open your eyes.
I'm flying, Jack.
Panda, panda, panda. We've got
broads in Atlanta. Kiss me, Jack.
Cut! Okay? Cut!
What's your problem?
What is your problem,
I
James?
need more passion!
I'm giving
Passion.
plenty of passion. Leo can't act.
Is it the beard?
It's the beard. It's a combination of a lot of things.
Do you see what I'm
Wow.
working with?
Listen, trust me. I wear denim on denim. Trust me, I know how to direct a movie, okay? And if this is terrible, don't worry. We have CGI to make it look good.
Thanks, James Cameron.
You're welcome. I
Please.
am James Cameron.
You're a
Yes,
terrible
James Cameron.
director.
I don't like the way you talk to me.
If this doesn't get me an Oscar, I don't know what will.
We need chemistry. Throw him overboard.
Join us May 22nd on Sunday at 12:45 at Bar Jack Fishing in Lantana.
My home.